What do you do if you have some really interesting rolling stock, but you don't have space for the corresponding industries? Well, one possibility is to hide some sidings behind, for instance, the main station main building, and then declare the oil refinery, the sugar factory, and the gravel pit for off-board industries. I actually already have the beginning of a siding here, but that's for the meat packing facilities, and that's an on-board industry. But over here I have enough space for two parallel sidings for off-board industries, and they will be connected all the way over here from the diamond. And here I have a track leading to more onboard industries in this corner, and it will be extended all the way under here and connecting to the new sidings. And I will be using some second-hand Rocco points and some Rocco track. But first, unfortunately, this will have to go. It is, of course, only while I am building the new tracks that I'll have to remove this, so don't you worry. I'll be back. So I mark where the retaining wall will go at some point, and installing the new tracks didn't take long. One thing I had to do was install some more end-of-the-line buffer stoppers. You can buy them, of course, but since this will be a not invisible part of the layout, you might as well just make them yourself. I painted them black, mostly for the benefit of this video, because again, they won't be visible once everything is done. I had some unfinished business from last time, namely the beginning of the branch line. Not the whole branch line, just the first meter or meter and a half of it. And I would like to install that now, so I can control or test that the traffic can proceed unhindered through the diamond into the station area, especially with these new shunting trains going through the diamond at the same time. And as per usual, I will be doing a lot of tests using this DSB class ML. It's not going to be the longest run in the history of DSB, but it's a test, so it'll have to do. And here comes a connecting track from the station approach area with the diamond to the off-board industry sidings. Alright, so here's the next big thing. We're going to have a siding going out this way. And the idea, of course, is that you can take goods, wagons, freight cars from what will become the yard here, and take them out and shunt them back to the hidden industries all the way over here. I need a bit of sub-track bed here to make room for the shunting track, and as the track bed I am again using cork from Neal. Well, in order for it to bend sufficiently under the track, I cut some slides and I fix it with PVA glue. And the track bed just slides in underneath the track, as you've seen in previous episodes. The same goes for dropper wires, a lot of those in the diamond area, and a couple of sleepers here to fill out the blanks. And here is something different. I thought it would be fun if I could reuse more of my old Märklin stuff from way back when. And as you can see, we are far from the digital age here. Anyway, it should be possible. So here's the refurbished Märklin control panel, and that can be used to control the switch machines from MTB, because they will take both DC and AC. This time I'm going to use a smaller version, because there are some tight spots where the new point will go. So let's connect it and test it. The connection here is very much like last time. The only difference is that these smaller switch machines only have one auxiliary, which is enough if you just want to polarize the frog, for instance, and don't have anything fancy going on with the LED indicators or anything like that. So here we are, testing. Yep, it is working just fine. Fantastic, a 50-year-old Märklin component and a brand new MTB. Okay, the switch machines have now been installed under the board, and we can put the points back and finally install the needle and connect it to the switch machine on the board. And as usual, testing. Yes, both machines are working well. Okay, I think that's all we have time for in this episode, but not bad for a month work. 3 off-board sidings, the meat packing facility siding. We have 2 shunting tracks and the beginning of the branch line. If you want to stick around, you can see how I will use these new facilities to break up a freight train using these small shunters, the DSB class 5. I have 2 of them. They were the most numerous shunters in the steam era. Okay, here comes the freight train. If you want to stick around, please do enjoy the music. Consider giving the video a like. Consider leaving a comment. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Help the channel grow. See you next time, where I will put back the main station main building and do the retaining wall. Hope to see you then. Bye bye.